Hi there and welcome to the UkeStuff channel and welcome to an unboxing video. So if you are a person that doesn't like unboxing videos, hit that stop button and go to another video. But if you're interested in seeing what's coming to the channel here in the near future and what I've got in the box, stay tuned. So today it's a double unboxing from Donner and I am glad to finally have them on the channel. Now on Amazon there are a few brands that are sort of above all the others in terms of the amount of publicity they get, whether they're an Amazon choice or whether they're a bestseller, that sort of thing. And Donner is one of those. I have seen a few Donners in the wild. I had one that I reviewed very quickly on this channel. It was one that my student brought in when I was teaching middle school music. I had an 8th grader that brought in a soprano Donner, and I liked what I saw at the time. But this is finally one that I can take a look at in depth over time, and there'll be a full UGuide review as well. In addition to that, I have an accessory that I'll be reviewing as well, and I don't know if I'll review those both together, but we'll definitely unbox both of them together. So let's do the accessory first. Why not, right? So I'm just going to cut open the bag here, and I'm going to have little things flying out at me. I probably should have thought about how I was going to do that a little bit more than I did. So here it is, Pro Instrument Stands, real hardwood designed for violin and ukulele. So let's open this up and see what we've got. All right. It comes with some hardware, so it may not be standable up right away, but we'll just take a look at what it comes with. And we'll put it together perhaps later. So it comes with 2 hooks to hold on the bottom, and then it comes with this part for the top. It's foldable up. You can see that these are going to go through like that, and then it's going to be braced with these parts on the bottom, I think, is where that's going to go. So it's going to go together pretty quickly. In fact, I can even do so momentarily. And it does say Donner right there. Donner has that neat logo with the music note, the 8th note, as a D. So let me put this together real quick and I'll show it to you. All right, it's all together. The wood stand, you set it down and you put your ukulele on it or violin, and it holds it for you while you're playing next to it. And it's generally pretty portable and light and made out of wood. And it does come along with the hex key or hex wrench to put it together. So that is the little Donner stand. So we'll do a full review of that later. Not sure what else there is to say, but it seems like it will work just fine as a stand. Now let's get to the ukulele. All right, so it's an Amazon package. So again, super large packaging that will be recycled. Paper on the inside. And here is the ukulele. So on the inside, ukulele, Donner. Let's open it up. Bag of stuff we'll take a look at. And the ukulele. So let's look at the bag of stuff first. What do you get with it? Always interesting to see what's included. Tuner, that's nice. A lanyard strap, one that goes around your neck and around the ukulele. Kind of a wiping cloth, polishing cloth. Extra strings that are not labeled as Aquilas. And some picks. So that's what you get with the ukulele. Now let's look at the ukulele. Bag is pretty decent. Nice front little pocket. Not an overwhelming logo. Some of those earlier Donners with the sort of tropical logo wasn't exactly my style. not against it, but also not my style. Kind of an interesting hook here. That's kind of neat. Single shoulder strap on the back. So let's continue opening this up and seeing what we have inside. Coated in plastic, or that plastic styrofoamy stuff. A rubber band around the headstock. And let's see what it looks like. There we go. Right at the top. That's a really pretty laminate color, that stripe. I like that. So sort of a standard mahogany or sapele. I'll have to take a look online and see what the specifications are. So this is the 200 model. Really nice looking. For laminate ukulele, I like that coloring. I like it a lot. Fret ends are not sharp. There are side position markers on the side. Very nice. Strap buttons on the back and side. Now that's the first question mark. Why would you include a lanyard strap when you include strap buttons on it? So that's the first question mark of this. And then Donner has these really crazy geared tuners that allow you to see through them with a little plastic cover. That's kind of neat. I'm going to remove the tags here so they don't get caught up with the tuner, but we'll tune it up real quick and see if we can give you a opportunity to hear what it sounds like. Here we go. I'll tune it again. Yeah, kind of a darker sound. Again, sort of Aquila-ish strings, a little less white than Aquila's. Yeah, very warm sound. And if you watch this channel at all, you'll know that I have a tendency to like bright sounding ukuleles. And I am guessing that a string change, again with this one, will result in my being very happy with the instrument. Just looking at a couple things, again, sharp fret ends are not a problem here. The binding is really nice with the purfling as well. You can see the purfling. The purfling is not repeated on the back, but the binding is. The joints are very visible on this ukulele. That doesn't bother me, but some people might not like it. The other joint is up there. You can see it underneath the tuners. There's sort of a striping effect on the neck, which again doesn't bother me. I don't mind an ukulele. It looks a little different, but someone that just wants everything to look the same might. And the other thing that I'm kind of noticing is the way that they've got this wood going. You don't get that normal diamond pattern that you can often see with the sort of laminate ukuleles. The mahogany, when it bends, gets a sort of diamond pattern. You get this sort of striped pattern, which is kind of a different effect. So watch for this one in the future. This is the 200 series. I need to look up the specs on it, and of course that'll all be coming in the future uke guide review and the 1-minute ukulele review in the future. So there it is, the Donner 200 series concert and the Donner ukulele stands. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you're having a great day, and I will be back soon with some more uke stuff for you.